Hello everyone, I'm Kat and welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. I'm very excited for today's video. It's going to be a day to night makeup tutorial for you. And this is actually a requested video from my very dear friend Monica. So I'm so excited to do this for her and for all of you guys out there. And we're going to be using the Naked 3 palette. If you are interested in seeing how I go from the daytime look that I do and transition to this nighttime look, then please keep watching. All right, we're gonna jump right in. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna prime my face a little bit. This is the Cover FX Mattifying Primer with Anti-Acne Treatment, and just put it in my problem areas. I keep it in my T-zone. And that's it. Okay, girls, come on. All right. I'm going to move on to my eyelids and I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. And I like to use a concealer to prime my eyes, and I like to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Pick up my Sigma E40. It's a taper blending brush. I love this brush, and I'm going to go in and pick up Strange. I'm going to take this color all over the lid. Moving on to the next shade, I'm gonna hop into Light, and I'm just gonna continue using the same brush, same blending brush from Sigma, and we're gonna add light to our crease. I'm gonna create my crease up a little bit higher. Back and forth windshield wiper motions, and swirly whirlies. Now I'm going to pick up the Sigma Blending E36. So we're going into that nooner. And we're going to take this color right into the outer third. So we're just going to go a little bit into the crease. And I'm going to flick it a little bit onto the lid. So I'm making like a little V right here in my outer corner. And I'm bringing it in just a third into that crease. You can either use a shader brush or your finger. I'm just gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna take it on my pinky finger. I'm just gonna take it back into the product here, like that. And then I'm just gonna go right on my lid and pat that in. And then I'm just gonna take a different finger to blend it out. Just add a little bit of lighter tone there on my lid. For this look today, I'm actually going to use one of my foundations that I do enjoy wearing when I do decide to wear foundation. And it is the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup with Micro Clear Technology. And my color is in Buff 30. I'm going to take this onto the top of my hand. I'm going to use my Morphe blender right here. And I'm going to take that and dab that around my face. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and move to set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna pick up my Real Techniques brush. I've had it for so long the writing's gone, but it's a nice big powder brush like this. So I'm gonna pick up this guy, and I'm gonna use the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder. We're just going to be adding this powder all over the face. And here we go to set it all. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera real quick, and I'm going to do my brows, and then I'll be back to finish the face. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're interested in me doing a separate video on my brows, because I'd love to share and show, because they need a lot of work. Eyebrows done. Moving on to bronzer. So I'm going to use from my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I use the end guy right here. So nothing too crazy, just to kind of give my just to kind of give my face a little bit of a glow, a little something, and a little definition in my cheeks. Just gonna build it up around my face some. Camera's getting really blurry today. Sorry about that. Okie dokie. I'm gonna use an e.l.f. blush today. It is called Pink Passion. I'm gonna pick up an e.l.f. brush. This is an e.l.f. small tapered brush. I'm gonna dance into the blush here. I'm gonna go ahead and hop back into the Naked 3 palette, and I'm gonna pick up that, where'd it go? There it is. I'm gonna pick up the smaller blending brush that I use, the E36 from Sigma, and I'm gonna pick up Light, and I'm just very, very nicely just gonna go underneath the eye here very lightly. Eyes, we're gonna go into mascara, and I'm gonna use, once again, I've been kind of obsessed with my Voluminous Superstar X Fiber. I like to do 2 coats of the first step, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Step 2. Let's do it. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Lash Discovery. It's a little tiny mini little wand, and it's fantastic for my little tiny eyes. The lip for the day, KatVonD liquid lipstick here, and this one is in Ludwig. I love me some Ludwig. Last thing, because you really want your makeup to set very well, I really am enjoying the KatVonD Lock-It Setting Spray. This is going to help with making your makeup last all day long until you get home and you got to get ready for nighttime look. All right, my friends, this is the daytime look completed. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and move on and make this a nighttime look. I get very oily and greasy in the T-zone, like all the time. These are the NYX green tea blotting paper, and they're fantabulous. I've used these for a very long time. So if I get home and I know my face is gonna be oily, so it's not really oily right now. It didn't have time to get oily. So I'm gonna pick up one of these little papers here, and I just take it, of course, in the T-zone, and all you have to do is blot like this, like so. Also, something I like to do is I will take a beauty blender. I'll go and dampen the one maybe I used earlier and just go over my chin area or places on your face that you feel you might get, your product might set in your lines. Definitely under eye. Under here, I like to pat too, because that's one of the places that it definitely settles in for me. Right across my forehead here, I like to dabble there. So that's just anywhere where you feel that maybe the product started to settle a little bit or it got into your fine lines. So you just dabble your sponge around your face as needed to kind of smooth that back out without having to apply more on your face. Jumping into the palette, we're gonna play with some colors in here. So I'm gonna pick up a shader brush, and this is a Sigma Eye Shading E55. For the lid, I'm gonna use Burnout. So I'm gonna pat into this for the lid, pack it on my brush, and here we go. So I'm gonna add this right on the lid and into the inner corner. All right, now moving on from there, I'm gonna pick up another shader brush. This is actually a Sonia Kashuk, number 103. And I'm gonna take with this, hop into Factory, and I'm gonna place this on the outer third. Where we put Nooner earlier, that's where we're gonna place this color. Just blending on the edges of Factory real quick. So soften that edge. I'm going to take a pencil brush real quick because I want to deepen that outside a little bit more. And I'm actually going to use a dark side. I want to make the outer third just a little bit darker there. Keep this low and do like a little V, just like we did for Nooner, but I'm not going to lift it up very high. Keep it very low. Once again, blend that out. Go ahead and hop down to the under eye real quick, and we're gonna jazz it up a little bit. We're gonna deepen it up some. Blending E36. I'm gonna grab more Nooner, and I'm gonna take this color and sweep it all the way from the third and underneath the eye. So just a quick sweep of this. All right, now from there, I'm gonna go with Factory. So same brush, I'm still using this nice blending brush, and I'm gonna go into Factory. And I'm going to keep this to the outer third. So right out here in the outer third. Just to darken that up a little bit there. So last for the shadows, I'm going to hop in with Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46. And I'm going to use Dust for the inner corner. Right, oh yeah, right to that inner corner right there. Last thing for the eyes, I'm gonna hop in with my KatVonD tattoo liner. This is in Trooper. I like to start with the tail end first. And then go from the tail and bring it in, just like that. Eyeliner is done. I feel like I want to darken this up a little bit here. If you feel like the under eye is still not very dark for you, do this. I'm going to go in a little more dark side, and with that darkest color, Black Heart. So I'm going to mix those two and press. Oh, yep, that helped. Yep. Yep. And then same thing on the other side. There we go. I like that. I am going to add some highlight. I'll go ahead and use the same one that's in the NYX. I'm going to hop into the lipsticks. I grabbed two different colors, two options right here. We have, both are KatVonD. I'm obsessed with KatVonD liquid lipstick, so I'm going to use these. The first one is, what is it? What are you? Lovecraft. I should have known that. I use this color like all the time. So this is the first option with Lovecraft. So if you want to take a step further, color option 2. Let's do it. So this is the finished makeup look. All right, Monica. I hope this is what you were hoping for. I hope you all enjoyed it. And yes, if you did enjoy this date to night makeup tutorial using the Naked 3 palette, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Every Monday, I'm gonna be posting a new video. And next week, I'm gonna be flopping back to a curly hair video. And then I'm gonna come back the following week with a makeup tutorial. So please, everyone, my curl friends, my makeup lovers, keep coming and join me back every Monday. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and take care. Bye. All right, we're gonna stop saying all right. Ah! Oh, come on. Oh, you think I would like dive my first time doing mascara. Ugh. Lash Discovery, where are you? Oh, right in front of my face. It was a snake, what a Batman. Time. on my brow bone. Oh, my brow bone. Sexy time on my brow bone. This from day to nighttime look. Monica, you better be doing it. I hope this please come back every Monday to share the excitement of my new video. I think that's everything. Sayonara!